What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to share a quick clip of me coaching one of our students in one of our recent live 5-day immersion programs where we share a simple technique you can use in order to emotionally spike girls that you meet who are from different countries. Now, before you watch the video, my name's Ben. I'm one of the head coaches here at Social Freedom. We help guys all around the world completely transform their dating lives, become the most attractive, charismatic, and confident versions of themselves. Now, if you like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Either way, let's get into the clip. With the Euros and like people like from different nationalities, right? Sometimes it's really, so number one, if someone's like has like broken English, you always want to encourage them to speak more English. So you never want to tell them like, oh, you have shit English, okay? You never want to discourage them. Always like, oh, like she's French, right? Like, oh, you actually have really good English for a French girl, right? Like always encourage so that she doesn't feel discouraged to actually speak to you, right? You don't want to make her embarrassed about her ability to speak English. She'll get in her head, she'll have trouble actually having a conversation. So that's step number one. Number two, man, some really like useful things to do is just have like a couple of like phrases in other languages just to say in order to like just assist you in like getting a bit of a social hook when you're meeting someone from like, you know, Germany, France, things like this, right? So for instance, whenever I meet like a French girl, I'll always say, oh, pamplemousse. Okay, and this means grapefruit. I don't know why, bro, but it is the single best fucking like emotional spike for French girls. I have no idea why. I got to the point in Europe where me and Alex used to call it race to the pamplemousse when we met a French girl because we both like, oh, pamplemousse, because it's like instantly they're like, ah, what the fuck is that, right? Yeah. Like it means grapefruit. Some other ones are like in German, like nimm mich Papa, call me daddy, okay, or Schmetterling, which is butterfly. And penny pequeño in Spanish means small penis, right? Like just little phrases you can say. Now, obviously there's some that are like less calibrated than others, right? But just when you said like to her, when you were like, oh, je m'appelle Jordan, right? She actually was more engaged after that. She's like, oh, you speak French? It's like, yeah, I know 3 words, but no big deal, I'm fluent, right? Yeah. So again, knowing a couple of words in their language just makes things a little easier, makes it a little easier to build rapport, okay? So just a little tip for you, bro. Thanks for watching, guys. Now, if you are interested in potentially getting coaching and taking your dating life to the next level and learning advanced social skills as well as building core confidence, making social environments fun again and no longer a place of anxiety and fear, then make sure to click the link below to jump on a free 30-minute call with us and we can come up with a plan on how to help you take back control of your dating life. Either ways, thanks for watching, guys. I love you. See you in the next video.